So, hey guys, this is my presentation on Indian female entrepreneur named Falguni Nair. This is a entrepreneurship development assignment. So, yeah, let's begin. So, Falguni Nair is one of a very famous Indian female entrepreneur. She was born in Mumbai on 19 February 1963. She is the CEO and founder of Nykaa.com, and yeah, she is graduated from the Sydenham College of Commerce and Economics and have done masters in management from IIM Ahmedabad. So life story is that she started her work as a consultant with AF Ferguson, and then she has a 19-year of work experience as an investment banker in Kotak Mahindra, and in 2005 she took over the post as the managing director and made Kotak Mahindra a famous leading IPO banker. So then she is known for her startup, which is named as Nykaa, which we all know. So how this idea came into her mind was that she visited a Sephora store in US, and then the sale representative recommended her the best product. Though she wasn't a regular customer of beauty products, the bill was too high and she had to spend $100, and she wanted to bring this concept of one-stop shop for all cosmetic products in India. And hence she took a huge step of quitting her job at the age of 50 and stepping into the entrepreneur journey. And in 2012, she founded Nykaa, and she considered all user feedbacks to develop a loyal customer base for Nykaa. The thing is that she does a lot of philanthropy work. Like here we can see her quote that I wanted to stand for those women who want to be beautiful for themselves, not for men or other women. Challenges and evolution. Whenever you have a startup, there is always some challenges and there is always some difficulty. Like being an investment banker, she took a lot of. She was very well aware of the intricacies of raising funds and investment in business. The first phase of her business was developing a site and creating a user experience for the customers. The second was to get the genuine products of the store and to make them available for customers at genuine prices. Then comes the marketing and promotion for Nykaa, and then she overcame all such challenges with her dedication and hard work. About Nykaa, we all know that it is an e-commerce website that offers various leading brands. It has more than 17 stores. It has 850 curated brands and over 1 lakh products. It has a comprehensive selection of makeup, skincare, hair care, fragrances, bath and body, etc. And it is very popular, especially among the age group of 20 to 36. It has also opened a lot of luxury stores named Nykaa Luxe, and it has been a front runner in bringing the international luxury brands to India. This is obviously because of the overwhelming response of the Nykaa customers. Achievements, the major achievements of Nykaa and as well as Miss Falguni Nair is that in 2018 Nykaa collaborated with the Nykaa Feminine Beauty Awards 2018. Also, Business Today featured Falguni Nair as the most powerful woman in business in 2017. And Nair has also won a Women Ahead Startup Award, Economic Times Startup Award in 2017. So, in conclusion, we can say that Falguni Nair is an inspiration for every woman out there. She is killing stereotypes in her own way. She has the mentality of the business community as the society as a whole, and that the perception that only men can take risks has to bid a goodbye. There are still a miles to go on this journey, and she believes that she will do it. As well as Nykaa has now become a unicorn startup that is, it has valuation worth more than 1 billion US dollars. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.